I can be fun, we, no, we, no, we, no. I can be fun, we, no, we, no, we, no. You can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I be rich shit, huh? You can't touch this, hey. Walk the lip, huh? How many
What's up YouTube? It's your girl CM. That's me, Shop but too much, and girls is back on another YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna be cleaning this little business room because it's a mess. Like, it's a mess in here. Like, please don't judge me. Like, whoever watching this, don't judge me, please. Yeah, but if you're new to my channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join Too Much Gang, baby, because if you're not Too Much Gang, you're not a gang. Let's stand on that, period. If you are a returning subscriber, gang, stand your ground, or you already know the vibes. And yeah, we're gonna get started on this because
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you. And he hasn't, and never will.
Jordan, you're so cute.
Okay, yeah, so these are the packages that I'm sending today. I left my sorry, I look ugly, but I left my tripod at KIRAH's house when we did the little mukbang video, which is actually out, so y'all go watch that. So I don't know how I'm gonna record like me going to the FedEx because I don't have my tripod. But yeah, I'm gonna pack this stuff up. I'm gonna put these fragile stickers on. I'm gonna show y'all. I have, where did I just, oh, I grabbed it already. So I got these fragile stickers, so I'm just gonna put these on there, and then we finna head out because people was waiting for me like, where my jacket, where my jacket. I'm gonna send it, so yeah. Yeah, I just be coming out looking any kind of way, but that don't matter. I'm at the FedEx now, so I'm finna, like, why do I look like this? So I'm finna send these packages. I'm gonna record as much as I can, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record the whole thing, to be honest, because I'm just not gonna hold this camera. Like, y'all see the end though, if y'all don't see the whole thing. Alright y'all, so I just want to come off and end this video the proper way because I never be doing the ending. But yeah, so I went to the FedEx. This is my receipt. It's my receipt, and I didn't get them all shit because if you see my Instagram story, like, it was hella shit going on in there and it was packed. So I'm gonna go back in the morning, but that's just gonna be the end of this video. If y'all like videos like this, y'all want to see more package of videos and stuff, then make sure you just give this video a big thumbs up to recommend it to like-minded entrepreneurs like you and me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.